Good day mga ka-Jubals! Ito po yung i-review natin ngayon, ang Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x2 2.4 liter engine. Balita ko leather na yung mga upuan nito. Tara, let's check! Alright, ang isa sa pinakamatigas at pinakamaasahang workhorse para sa anumang tungkulin ay ang Toyota Hilux, isang pickup truck na kilala ng buong mundo. The updated design of the new model keeps its reliable engine choices such as the 2.8 liter and the 2.4 liter turbo diesel engines. Two of the aforementioned mills might be coupled with a manual or automated 6-speed gearbox. The Hilux has a strong carrying capacity right out of the factory since it is built on the same Toyota IMV platform as the Innova and Fortuner. The Hilux chassis is composed of a sturdy axle at the back with leaf spring and a double wishbone suspension up front. Power is delivered on demand by the agile turbo diesel engine of the Toyota Hilux. Acceleration is combined with accurate handling and tight steering for the city. The mild steering makes navigating around tight turns at low speeds pleasant and secure. Pero of course, merong kaibahan doon sa suspension or the comfort ride for the 4x2 and the 4x4. Medyo mas comfortable yung 4x4. So, dito sa headlight, naka-projector, tapos may daytime running light, naka-LED. And then yung fog light, same naka-LED. And meron tayo nakikita ditong sensor sa front. So dito sa front, mapapansin natin yung Conquest at saka yung Hilux is unified yung design. So parang may matte black finish dito na accent. And meron ding combination dito na chrome accent. So it has a dynamic shield. And of course, meron ditong front camera. And the Toyota emblem na nakabalot or nakabaon. So there are actually two sensors dito sa front. And the good thing here is even the Hilux lower levels or lower variants has the same look and feel, or especially the front fascia. So dito sa gilid, merong slim fender, which is also true to other Hilux models. It has an 18-inch alloy mag wheels with a Dunlop brand ng tires. So we have here the stepboard, black stepboard, and the Hilux emblem. And the side mirror, naka black matte finish, may turn signal light repeater, and naka 360 na yung camera. Yun din yung maganda dito sa Conquest. So yung handle, naka matte black finish, which gives more attention or emphasis. So dito sa taas merong roof rail, pero hindi pa siya naka shark fin yung antenna. For the braking system dito sa likod, naka-drum type, hindi pa siya naka-disc brake for this 4x2. So yung Conquest logo, tapos yung roll bar, which is the signature of Conquest. Yung wheelbase for this Conquest has 3,085 mm, then turning circle of 6.4 meters, and then ground clearance of 279 mm and wading depth of 70 centimeters. So meron tayong sensors, 4 na sensors dito sa likod. And again, similar to the G variant, more or less they have the same tail lights for this V variant ng Conquest. So dito merong third brake light and naka matte black finish ng accent and yung rear camera. And the good thing here for this Hilux, even the G variant, no, is magaan na yung pintuan dito or yung door dito because of the mechanism, door handle assist here. So napakagaan, sobrang gaan yung door dito sa likod. And of course, standard naman yung bed liner for this Conquest, and even the G variant and other models of Hilux. Pasok tayo dito sa cabin. Wow! So napakaganda ng leather seat for this 4x2 Conquest. And makikita natin dito naka leather din yung side with white stitching. And parang may gray accent or silver accent dito sa gilid. Naka all power naman yung guys, yung mga windows. And yung panel dito is naka piano finish. Yung cup holder, yung speaker, and then yung tweeter. So we have here the different buttons. We have the parking sensor button, the 360 camera, and the blind spot monitoring button, in which you can activate and deactivate those buttons. And electronic na yung adjustment dito sa driver, sa seat, and yung controls dito sa steering wheel, basic controls. And naka-leather wrap na din yung steering wheel with white stitching. Tapos merong accent dito na black piano finish. So wala lang siyang paddle shifter. So yan, leather. Maganda yung quality ng leather, guys. Tapos dito, may accent dito na parang piano finish. Naka hard plastic dito. Yung lagayan ng gamit and inumin or drinks, pwede mong ilagay dyan. And the usual lagayan ng documents. Naka push start button. So as regards to the infotainment, it has 8-inch display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But for the G and E variants, It has only 6.75 inch of screen. So ito lang yung Conquest na may 8-inch display. So meron na din siyang automatic climate control. And then navigation ready. And meron din itong hill start assist. So yung mga echo at saka power buttons. So dito yung panel naka piano finish. Merong lagay ng gamit, manual yung handbrake. Yung center console naka leather up with white stitching, consistent to the leather seat as well as steering wheel. So by the way, yung cabin dito, more or less yung accent dito is black, yung color. For me, no, it's a very good idea na naka-black, no? Kasi hindi makikita yung mga dumi dito sa cabin, which is usually nangyayari. So yung sunglasses holder, naka-halogen yung cabin light pero hindi natin ma-turn on kasi in-disengage yung battery. May handle dito, grab handle. Same here sa driver at saka sa passenger. Ayan, black yung color dito. So which gives more elegant look, no, pag naka-black dito sa cabin. For me lang ha, kasi hindi naman tayo same ng taste ng color. So naka-electronic yung seat adjustment for the driver. And then meron ditong side step seal na may logo or may word na Toyota. So dito tayo sa second row. Alright, naka leather wrap, the same accent, naka piano finish, yung cup holder. So titingnan natin guys yung leg room for this Conquest. So we are expecting na medyo hindi ganoon kaganda yung leg room kasi of course this is a pickup truck, no? So for the dashboard perspective, very elegant. Maybe because of those piano finish na i-combine sa dashboard, as well as the 8-inch infotainment screen display. So dito sa likod merong dalawang aircon vents, which is good and a good improvement, no, for this Hilux Conquest. And mayroon ditong piano finish na accent. So yung hook, which can carry 4 kilograms maximum. Yung pocket. So yung legroom okay din naman. But I'm only 5'4". So the good thing here, meron siyang grab handle dito, which is a very good thing, no? Kasi yung ground clearance ng pickup usually is mataas. And if you have an old passenger or mga senior citizen na passenger, so it's a good idea na meron talagang grab handle. Sana din sa Fortuner magkakaroon din ng grab handle. Kasi as far as my observation is concerned, wala doon sa Fortuner yung grab handle. So meron ditong central console na may dalawang cup holders. Even in the most basic model, airbags are a standard component of the safe Toyota Hilux. Standard airbags include those for the driver and passenger, but upgrading to a higher specification or variant, it will add 2 front airbags and a multitude of side and curtain airbags for a total of 7 airbags to protect the user or the passengers. To add on, stability control, speed sensing door locks, the ABS or the anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution, and braking assist are among the additional safety features that the Hilux may have. So, yun din yung maganda, no? Kasi if you will go for a higher variant of this pickup truck, you can get more safety features, which is very important. No? So sa passenger side, naka-manual yung adjustment ng seat. By the way, yung price pala nito is 1,669,000 pesos SRP. So subject pa din yan for bank approval. Yung monthly amortization, depende po yan sa approval ni bank kung ano yung ibibigay niya na promo. Basically, ang Hilux Conquest 2.8 diesel 4x4 ay may fuel efficiency na 15 km per liter at 90 km per hour yung speed sa highway. It is more difficult than the 2.4 liter engine, although it is quite comparable. The combined fuel consumption of the range topping variant during the test reached 8.35 liter per 100 kilometers. So depende pa din yan guys sa driving habit mo, weather condition, tire pressure, and different variables. Alright, so I hope nakita ninyo yung gusto nyong malaman for this Toyota Conquest 4x2. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Jobal's Car Vlogs. Bye and God bless!